At Atlantic Bicycle, we are recumbent specialists with the largest selection in Florida of adult and recumbent trikes of all makes and sizes, tandem bicycles, and recumbent tandems. We are located at 4980 West Atlantic Boulevard, Margate, Florida.
Hello folks, today is June 30th, the 17th day of the Tour of Discovery. Today has been a challenging day. The reality is that last night I had the first technical problem with the trike in the journey. Up front, over here, you can see these are called the chain rings. In other words, where the chain connects. And last night it lost 3 of 5 bolts that hold them. And as a result, it distorted. This should be a perfectly circular chain ring, and it looks more like an egg. It looks elliptical. So I had a problem. I could not climb anymore because the smallest of the rings is the one that you use when you're climbing. The good thing was that this happened at the very last hill before getting to Rhinebeck. So today I had to spend a lot of time. In fact, I had to go a total of 24 miles to get the replacement. So now it's installed, and I'm going to be able to continue with my journey. A very, very, very difficult day because I ended up having to go off route. I ended up on Route 9, which is a very busy highway. In fact, I met one of the board members of the Hudson walkway, and that's where I am on right now. This is a bridge that used to be a railroad, and they turned it into a bike trail and just a walking trail, and it goes right over the Hudson. So I'm going to actually be filming quite a bit. But before that, I ended up being on Route 9, and this board member of the walkway was telling me that it's one of the busiest highways north of Manhattan. Something like 90,000 cars go on it every day. So it was very unnerving, 3-lane highway, and lots of cars, and as you get closer to the city, people are impatient. Today I am going to be crossing over. I don't know if I'll be able to make it to the new town. Let's see. According to the map I have, that I should be able to make it either to Lloyd or New Platts. New Platts is 11 miles, which is not a great distance, but I'm exhausted. The reality is today has been a challenging day. And as I wrote for my article, because I did write an article this morning, I was making the connection between this piece and Eli Whitney, the interchangeable parts. You see, had he not invented this, I would have to go to a blacksmith, and the blacksmith would have to produce a unique chain ring, and I mean, most of our technology would not be possible unless we had interchangeable parts. So that introduction of that technology by Eli Whitney has helped me today tremendously. I walked into the bike shop. I mean, it was 24 miles round trip, but once I was in bike shop, it took 10 minutes to just change the part. Alright guys, I'm going to be filming from the bridge, and I will catch you later.